Hello friends, I am Poonam and welcome on my YouTube channel Poonam's Corner. To receive all notifications, please subscribe my channel Poonam's Corner. Mahatma Gandhi is also called as the father of our nation. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai. He took his law degree from UK. He was a great freedom fighter. He started Satyagraha movement against the British rule. He was a great believer in non-violence. He was the man of simple living and high thinking. He also advocated for the use of khadi. He was very truthful and honest. He died on January 30th, 1948.